Welcome to my YouTube channel Marketing 5.0. Thanks Machan continuously watching my videos, subscribing my channel and sharing with your network. In our new series on marketing today, so far we have seen videos about trouble times and consumer mindset. So in this line today we talk about business trends. So as we all know, we are going through a rough patch in our life. So this kind of a situation we never faced. It's almost many decades the world is facing. So nobody is uh, exempted from this situation what we are facing. So in this line today we talk about the ongoing business trends which is prevail in this uncertain times. So when we talk about business trends, that business trends in general and also the specific to the focus of companies, so which is very important for us to look into. So how a company will take care of themselves when they are actually facing this kind of a scenario, and how the company will look forward for the future and how they will focus. So those aspects. But we all know the trend, the statistics, and whatever the figures we see, the business trends are not very encouraging. Uh, Especially the service sectors, the tourism sectors, airline sectors, which are was affected because people are not moving. Because if you see the economy is like a well-oiled machine, the world economy, now it's got stuck. So only the business of essentials are happening all over the world. The movement of goods which are FMCG in nature or medicines. So those aspects. But the other service sectors, especially if you look at the hospitality industry, the tourism, the airline industry, which is most affected. Even some countries, the beauty industry also it's affected, like spas or the beauty salons. They also affected because of the recent times we are facing and the requirement of social distancing and those aspects. So, if you look at those kind of an aspect, so how a company can survive in this scenario? So that is the big question mark. So especially for the companies into services, they are was affected because of the requirements. But the product-oriented companies, those are essential sectors. So they are actually managing themselves. They are surviving. But if you look at the luxury segment, especially the companies those involved in luxury brands or cars or consumer durable products, which normally consumer will buy when they are happy. So those industries normally have a setback or like they have their the business trends are slow down now due to the confidence of consumers, as we discussed in our previous video. It's not very high because normally the consumer will indulge into this kind of purchases when they are happy, when they have the future and the future looks very certain and rosy. But at this point of time, it's not that way, unfortunately. So those industries have issues, especially the industries which are not non-essential in nature and luxury. So where consumers will postpone their buying decisions at this point of time. So if you look at the different industries, what we are looking at the industries which are having the tough times, the industry those who are managing. But in general, the one thing they have to keep in their mind, they need to survive, and they should not involve in any new initiatives, especially which involves investment at this point of time, because the future is a bit uncertain. So they should not involve in any strategic initiatives which involves any investment, especially the industries which are non-essential in nature. But still, there are some companies look at this aspect in a very different way, like the electric vehicle industry. They are going rampant because the electric vehicle is something which everybody is looking forward in the future. Like if you see 5 years down the line, so we'll be using most of us will be using electric vehicle, the EV industry. So which most of the companies are working now towards coming out of EV vehicles. So definitely, I'm not seeing any setback in that particular industry, the electric vehicle industry or the energy sector, which is very important now because now if all of us are going digital, so we need to be online 24/7. So for that we need energy. So the energy sector will have a great achievement and great growth for the years to come because now the present situation makes us to work remotely and even people are working from home, especially the schools and colleges and the meetings. Now the travel is disrupted, even if it is a global company, so everything is happening online thanks to the new technology of the video conferencing by using the different tools like Google Meet, Zoom, Teams. So there are many things which are the positive side of what we are looking at. So those industries will have a growth, the technology industry, especially in this technology, the internet, the online businesses will thrive at this point of time. So if you look at, there is a mixed results for some industry will have a issue, some industry will have a growth, some industry will survive. But altogether, my suggestion for all the industry, all the companies is to not to invest any new investment, especially if you're not looking for any growth. But there are some industries like technology or online business will have a growth. So they can think of an investment expansion, but in a very calculated way by considering the future course of action. So this is about the ongoing business trends, what we have at this troubled times. So once again, thank you very much for your continuous support, subscribing to my channel and sharing with your network. And please get back to me with your valuable inputs of my videos in this series, Marketing Today. As I reiterate, this series is not planned and I'm just going with the flow and I'm taking video by video and I'm also listening to your comments. So please give your comments. So what kind of videos you want to be released under this Marketing Today series, especially in this troubled times. So once again, thank you very much for your continuous support.